If you're looking for a rugged, lightweight windbreaker, the First Spear wind cheater might be just for you. There are great reviews on the First Spear wind cheater jacket. It prioritizes breathability and durability over waterproofing. I've been putting this wind cheater coat to the test for a few months, and I tell you, I am really starting to like it. If you need to pack it up small, you can jam it in your pack, and even though it'll get all creased up, if you hang it over a chair for a day or so, the material is kind of amazing. The creases just seem to disappear, and it makes itself look all nice again. So if you get concerned, oh, my wind cheater, it's all creased up, well, the creases will go away. There is a finish on the coat, so you can see that water will bead off, which is really nice. So you can shake that off. Right now, we've got some drizzly weather, so the raindrops just kind of bead up on there. Now, if it's downpour and sustained rain, obviously the water is going to eventually penetrate. But for light drizzle conditions, the finish on this coat is going to help keep you dry. And what's really great too is when you're out rucking or hiking with this jacket and you're producing lots of body heat, the material is breathable. Also, what is great is there is pit zips. So this is awesome. So you can open this coat right up and get some really good ventilation going on. So that is pretty awesome. So if you don't want to take off your jacket, you can open up the pit zips here and ventilate some of that heat. On both biceps, so there is a patch here where you can put a morale patch. And I really like how the zippers, they make this little hood where the zippers go, and that is really nice. So the zipper can tuck under there, and that just is great for reducing snagging on things. So there is a drain hole right here, and so you've got good space. The pockets are pleated for a little bit of expandability, so that is really nice. The sleeves have a really nice Velcro adjustment, so you can get that snugged up around your wrist if the weather is really miserable. So that's pretty nice. You can see on the cut of the coat, it comes down to give you some butt protection. So there are toggle adjustments here. See, look at that. That's pretty nice. So if you're in really ugly weather, you can get your coat snugged up over your butt area, keep that cold wind from getting and penetrating your core body. So that really gives a nice clean fit. The hood on the wind cheater is actually another really great feature. So you can get that hood over you, and there is an adjustment so that you can get that snugged up, and it actually, I'm not sure the mic's working, but it wraps around your head. So you can get this sealed off really good, and then adjust the toggles in the front here. So if you are in really ugly, cold, windy weather, the wind cheater is going to work for you. Why? Because it's going to block the cold wind. So obviously it's really important that you have the layers that you need underneath, because if you're just wearing a t-shirt with this and it's pretty cool outside, well, you're going to find yourself cold. So you got to wear the appropriate layers. But the coat is designed to give you maximum protection, protect your core body temperature. And while you're doing stuff, and if you're overheating, so it also allows, because of the breathability, to let that heat escape from your body. I've used this coat several times rucking, and it works really well. When you're wearing the hood, you technically don't even have to reach on the outside. There's these little toggles. You can grab these and pull, and that sucks that in, and those can just fit inside your coat. So you can see the little guide material right here. So that's kind of neat. So when you get your coat zipped up, you don't have all those little things dangling around. So you could see that the excess strings sit inside of the coat. So that is actually kind of a nice little feature right there. Guys, a great thing about this coat is it's wife approved. My wife, she likes this coat. She sees it on me, she's like, "Hey, that jacket looks really nice in you." Because this coat, even though it's kind of designed to work with, in a tactical environment if you needed to, this is a perfect coat for hiking, bushcraft, all kinds of outdoor activities. And it doesn't scream, "Hey, I'm a tactical coat." So a lot of great features poured into this piece of material, and it works really well. Everyone, I just like to give a huge shout out to Malta Convoy for donating this coat to the channel. Brother, we really appreciate you, and thank you so much for your generous contributions. So as you can see, while I've been standing out here making the video, you can see how the finished coating on the coat just causes the water to bead. So that's really nice. Drizzly conditions, you don't need to throw on a rain jacket. This has enough water resistant protection, so on a mild drizzly day, hey, this is perfect. You can still have lots of breathability. I can move and do function, and not have, wearing like a Gore-Tex or some type of raincoat. Now you're, trapping in heat and moisture on your body. So for extra breathability and some water resistant protection, the wind cheater just might be right for you. So if you're wondering about sizing, I'm 6 feet tall, roughly around 185 pounds or so, and I'm wearing the extra large. It's important to note with the type of finish coating that's on a coat like this to make it somewhat water resistant. So the water will bead, you can shake it off, but if you rub the material, that's going to cause the water to penetrate. All right, everyone. Thanks for being here. Special welcome to all the new subscribers, and I will put a link to First Spear's website down below. Take care, and we'll catch you all in the next video. Bye now.